Hello, dear learners. Welcome to day 5 of our 5-day English challenge. Today is our final day, and you have all done an amazing job throughout this week. In today's session, we will explore everyday topics using simple and useful phrases. We will talk about family and friends, describe our home and neighborhood, order food and drinks, ask and give directions, discuss favorite entertainment, learn how to say farewell politely. And now, 2 new topics: shopping and making phone calls. Remember, everyone is doing great, and soon a new 5-day challenge on other exciting topics will begin. I have a small family. I have a small family. My mom is kind. My mom is kind. My dad is funny. My dad is funny. I have 2 siblings. I have 2 siblings. My friend is very friendly. My friend is very friendly. We often play together. We often play together. I enjoy spending time with them. I enjoy spending time with them. We share happy moments. We share happy moments. You did a wonderful job sharing simple sentences about your family and friends. Every word you speak about your loved ones builds your confidence and helps you connect with others in English. Think about the person who brings the most joy to your life. Who is that special friend or family member? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I live in a small apartment. I live in a small apartment. My house is warm and tidy. My house is warm and tidy. I have a cozy bedroom. I have a cozy bedroom. My neighborhood is quiet. My neighborhood is quiet. There are many trees nearby. There are many trees nearby. I like my backyard. I like my backyard. I enjoy a peaceful home. I enjoy a peaceful home. My street is safe and friendly. My street is safe and friendly. Well done. Your descriptions of your home and neighborhood are clear and comforting. By using simple language to paint a picture of your surroundings, you're improving your storytelling skills in English. What do you love most about your home or neighborhood? Let us know in the comments. I would like a burger, please. I would like a burger, please. Could I have a glass of juice? Could I have a glass of juice? I want a bowl of salad. I want a bowl of salad. May I order a cup of tea? May I order a cup of tea? I like my food fresh and tasty. I like my food fresh and tasty. I prefer water for my drink. I prefer water for my drink. Can I have a slice of cake? Can I have a slice of cake? Thank you for the delicious meal. Thank you for the delicious meal. Excellent work. Mastering phrases for ordering food and drinks is very useful for real-life conversations. Every order you practice gives you practical skills to use English when you dine out. What is your favorite meal to order when eating out? Tell us in the comments below. Excuse me. Where is the bus stop? Excuse me. Where is the bus stop? Is the train station far from here? Is the train station far from here? Could you tell me how to get to the museum? Could you tell me how to get to the museum? I need directions to the park. I need directions to the park. Walk straight and then turn left. Walk straight and then turn left. Turn right at the traffic light. Turn right at the traffic light. The school is near the library. The school is near the library. Thank you for your help with directions. Thank you for your help with directions. Great work! Learning to ask and give directions is a very practical skill that will help you navigate new places. Your clear questions will help you find your way anywhere. Keep practicing. Have you ever needed to ask for directions in English? Share your experience in the comments below. I like listening to pop music. I like listening to pop music. I enjoy watching funny movies. I enjoy watching funny movies. I read interesting books. I read interesting books. Music makes me feel happy. Music makes me feel happy. Movies help me relax. Movies help me relax. I love reading before bed. I love reading before bed. I share my favorite songs with friends. I share my favorite songs with friends. I often visit the cinema on weekends. I often visit the cinema on weekends. Fantastic work! Expressing your interests in entertainment shows your personality and adds color to your conversations. Your favorite music, movies, and books can be a great conversation starter. What is your favorite song, movie, or book? Write your answer in the comments below. Goodbye, take care. Goodbye, take care. See you next time. See you next time. It was nice talking with you. It was nice talking with you. Have a wonderful day. Have a wonderful day. I hope we meet again soon. I hope we meet again soon. Thank you for the lovely chat. Thank you for the lovely chat. Take care until we see each other. Take care until we see each other. Farewell and stay happy. Farewell and stay happy. Excellent job. Knowing how to say goodbye gracefully is as important as greeting someone warmly. Every polite farewell leaves a positive impression and opens the door to future conversations. What is your favorite way to say goodbye in English? Share your preferred phrase in the comments below. How much is this? How much is this? This is too expensive. This is too expensive. I would like to buy this item. I would like to buy this item. Do you have this in another color? Do you have this in another color? Can I try it on, please? Can I try it on, please? I prefer a cheaper option. I prefer a cheaper option. Can I have a bag, please? Can I have a bag, please? Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help. Great job! Learning simple shopping phrases helps you communicate when you're buying something. Every phrase you learn in a shopping situation adds to your everyday vocabulary and makes you more confident when you go out. What is your favorite thing to shop for? Have you ever asked for a discount or a different size in English? Share your story in the comments below. Hello, this is Olivia. Hello, this is Olivia. May I speak to Noah, please? May I speak to Noah, please? Can you help me, please? Can you help me, please? I would like to make an appointment. I would like to make an appointment. I'm calling about my order. I'm calling about my order. Could you repeat that, please? Could you repeat that, please? Thank you for your assistance. Thank you for your assistance. Goodbye. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Have a nice day. Wonderful work. Using these simple phrases for phone calls will help you handle everyday conversations over the phone. Each call you make in English builds your confidence and helps you practice listening and speaking skills. What is one useful phrase you use on the phone in English? Let us know your favorite phone call phrase in the comments below. Congratulations on completing our 5-day English challenge. Today is our final day, and every one of you has done an amazing job practicing and using these useful phrases. Each block, from talking about family to making phone calls, has helped build a strong foundation for your everyday English conversations. Remember, every simple phrase is a victory, and your progress is something to celebrate. Keep an eye out, because a brand new 5-day challenge with other exciting topics will begin soon. Thank you for being a wonderful part of our community. Everyone is a star, and you all have shown great dedication and enthusiasm. Stay motivated, keep practicing, and continue shining in your journey of learning English. See you in the next challenge.